Hello everyone, myself S. Amit Rao. I am the team leader of team AOC_EcoMix. Our problem statement is effective management of construction and demolition waste under the theme Clean and Green Technology. Our idea is to introduce a novel kind of brick whose constituents will be fly ash, cement and demolition debris at a ratio of 3 to 1.5 is to 3, and we'll be naming it as upcycled brick or UCB. The demolition debris is now crushed using a crusher and sieved using a sieve with a 1.75 mm opening. It will then be combined with cement and fly ash. Then describing the technology stack here, we'll be using crusher, testing machinery, mixer and mold. Now talking about the cost, the country generates an estimated 150 million tons of construction and demolition waste every year, according to Building Material Promotion Council. But the official recycling capacity is a mere 6,500 tons per day, just about 1%. So here the cause arises that we should use the rest generated amount of waste sustainably. Now I'll be explaining the construction process through the flowchart. The first step is to collect the demolition waste, drying it up, then crushing, and then sieving at a rate of 1.75 mm opening, and then mixing and blending it. Here's the blending properties added like fly ash, cement and water, following with molding, drying and curing process. Above is the digital prototype. This is how the brick will look, and we have took the standard dimensions that are 75 mm cross 115 mm cross 230 mm. Here the hollow holes are indicating airflow, and this will be contributing in thermal insulation and sound insulation. Also, we have added a feature of interlocking joints so to reduce the mortar use. Then moving to the comparative analysis, here we'll be talking about three types of bricks that are fly ash, AAC blocks, and our UCB bricks. So the first comparison is with the rate, and as we can see, the most expensive brick is the AAC block, and the least expensive is our UCB bricks, which will cost around 4 to 4.5 rupees per brick. Then, talking about the strength, the AC block has around 50 kg per centimeter square strength, and UCB bricks and fly ash brick both have the same amount of strength, that is 35 kg per centimeter square. Then the dependency on natural materials is the highest for fly ash bricks and the least for UCB bricks. Describing the use cases here, the novel eco-friendly brick can be used in building walls. The conventional fly ash bricks manufacturing cost is around rupees 5.5 to 6 rupees, whereas the novel upcycle brick cost around rupees 4 to 4.5. Here we have did the cost analysis, like crushing machine will cost around 6 lakh rupees, molding machine will cost around 20 lakh rupees, and the total labor cost for one day will be 7,000 for 20 labors, and the miscellaneous expenses we have took for 5,000. So the collective amount for one day manufacturing is 1,10,000 for 24,000 brick generation. So for one brick, we'll divide 1,10,000 by 24,000 and it will come around rupees 4 to 4.5 rupees for one brick. So it will be the manufacturing cost for one brick. Then the brick weight will have a range between 2.5 to 3 kgs. Then, as the brick is hollow, it encompasses light self-weight, which will eventually contribute to thermal and sound insulation and cost effectiveness at the same time. Describing the dependencies here: time consumption. The entire process from mixing to the clay drying takes time. Quality control. Regular quality checks are crucial to ensure that bricks meet required standard in terms of size, shape, and strength. Mold and machinery. A mold is needed to shape the bricks. It can be made of wood, metal, or plastic, and the machineries like crusher, mixer, etc. needed to bring to the site, which may become a hassle sometime in transportation prospects if the site is very far away from the city. Drying area. After molding, bricks need to be dried for several days to reduce moisture content. So it will be like dependent on the climate or the surrounding. Now, discussing about the team member details. Uh, for here, the team leader is myself, as Amit Rao, following by the team members Ishwarya Sahu, Kandekupa Durga Samhita, Anshumala Minch, Harshit Tiwari, and Abhishek Rai. We have our academic mentor Atulya Kumar and industry mentor Suyash Kamboli. Thank you.